How to make the duplicate parallax effect. Today's video is sponsored by the Silo. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Change the edges to mirror and the apply mode to screen. Bring a duplicate node in empty space, connect your clip to this, and drag it to the left viewer. Connect the duplicate to the merge as a foreground. Increase the copies to 6 and the size slider to 1.7. Bring down the blend slider to 0.5. Open the blur menu and increase the blur and the glow sliders to your liking. Right-click to the center value and select to modify it with the XY. Go to the Modifiers tab, double-click to the X and Y slider to reset them, right-click on the X slider and select to modify it with atom curves. Change the source to duration, increase the offset slider to 0.3, and decrease the scale to 0.7. Bring a luma keyer after the duplicate, adjust the high and low values to your liking, and increase the blur slider if you want. From this point, you can go to the duplicate node, under the jitter tab, and adjust the position to your liking. Play around with those settings, and if you are lucky you will get something usable out of it. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are not the center of the universe.